السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. دلوقتي معايا عربية مرسيدس اي 211. كنترول الحزام اليمين عايز يتبرمج، مد ان هو مش متبرمج على الداس. Hello everybody, now I'm having Mercedes-Benz E-Class and I need to program right front reversible emergency tensioning retractor. If I scan the whole car, I have only an error here. I already have both of them not programmed. I did the left one, then I will go to the right. If you see here, control module right front emergency tension retractor has not been programmed. F2 fault code. Okay, so you need to do initial startup. F2 not networked. F3 no. Now I think it will begin to flash it. Half of a minute. F3 program control unit. F3, type anything 1, then F2, now the car is running and I have pre-safe inoperative because of that seat fault. Now I'm not opening the AC or anything, and I'm leaving the car running to get a good battery voltage. For that you should wait and don't touch anything. Now I will switch the ignition off, switch on, and I will start the car too. Only like that. no. Left hand steering, F3, yes. F2, F3, yes. F2, fault memory is erased. On the left one, that's asked me to do that, but it also worked for my seat. Now this one is plugged here, so I will connect my one also. Wait for a moment. Now I connected my one here and also that one. Then F3, you see that. Then F2, initial startup was fully completed. Now I will go back and run quick test and see the results. Be sure it asks you to get that here. Don't let anyone to sit there. Now I think I should have everything okay. Okay. Everything now is done, and thanks for watching.